All right, so recently my Ryobi battery took a crap on me. So I was referenced to this by a friend of mine for the Surebonder battery adapter. So it takes the Dewalt battery, attaches it onto a Ryobi product. So let's open it up and see what we got here. All right, let's see what we got going. Give me 1 second. I'm working one-handed here. All right, there we are. Boom. Got it propped up nice and neatly here. All right. I don't have any line in this thing, but I'll show you guys that it works. Without a doubt. There it is, 20 bucks online. Get it. You can get it while it's hot.